Hi, this is Janvi Panchal, and today I'm going to tell you 5 things which will enhance your lives more. So, number one is always remember God. Denzel Washington always says in a speech that whatever you start, whenever you start, doesn't matter what age you start, or doesn't matter where the place you start, always remember God because no one is greater than Him. Number second, a lot of people, when they think to start something really special, they think that what age are we? If you think that it's for the betterment of the people, if you think that what work are you doing, it's right for you, it's right for the welfare of the people, I think you should do it and not put the focus on your age, because age is only a number. A number can be finite, but your work should be infinite, and it only comes when you don't think of your age and start working into it. So always remember, what lies ahead is always a mystery, so don't be afraid to explore. Just go ahead and explore more of yourselves. Third is live an extraordinary life, because ordinary life is lived by everyone. You eat, sleep, drink, work, again sleep, and the next day comes. So I think that's an ordinary life. But what is an extraordinary life? An extraordinary life comes when you put something exciting to your life, you put something astounding to your life, which amazes you and not people. And that is where you live an extraordinary life. Dream big, have great goals. Don't get demotivated or don't feel sad when someone laughs at your goal, or someone smiles at your goal and says that you can't do it. And but you know what, that's where you define how great your goal is. So don't be afraid to explore more of yourselves and go ahead. Number 4, be happy and make always happy. The biggest gift in this world is to make people happy. The word smile is the longest in English language because it has a mile over the word. So I think smile and make people smile. The most thing which makes us feel sad is expectations. Expectations from all over the world, expectations from here and there. So stop expecting, give your best and you'll get the best. So smile and make it a goal every day to make people smile. Be independent, be happy. Number 5 is make it a goal every day to read religious books. The parents and the youngsters who is watching this video, who is listening to this video, make sure that you with your children, or you with yourself, or you with your family, read at least your religious books 5 minutes at least every day, because that would help you to explore more of yourselves, that would help to explore more of your religion as well. Because apart from all the activities of the day, apart from all the activities of your children as well, apart from maths, science, studies, activities, your work, everything, etc, etc, that includes everything. So apart from all these things, I think you should take time, at least 5 minutes, for your religious books, read them, explore more about yourselves, explore more about your literature. Consensus of the video, I would like to tell that don't go on a path where the path may lead. Instead, go on a path where there is no path and leave a trail, and that's where you define how extraordinary you are. I would like to tell that worrying is a waste of time. Good and bad things will happen in life. So don't stress over what you can't control. Just have trust in God, smile, and make your lives and others' life greater. Stay healthy, stay safe, and don't go out of your houses unless and until it is important for you to go out. I'll be back with some amazing videos. Till then, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon on so that you can get the updates of this channel.